Let's talk foreclosures again. You guys, so a lot of you guys are in a tither over foreclosures. And it got me thinking that perhaps a lot of people don't know that there are two types of foreclosures that I wanted to talk about. In the 50 states, they run about half and half. There's the non judicial foreclosure and the judicial foreclosure. So the difference is non judicial foreclosure means that the minute you're 90 days late on your mortgage, your lien holder sends out a foreclosure notice. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Arizona is one of those. In a judicial foreclosure state, it has to go from the lien holder to a judge and then time. This can take months to even years to get a foreclosure notice, right? But keeping in mind, guys, that when once you're to that point, you are 90 days ago, you didn't pay your mortgage, right? So the process is not as quick and as succinct as people might be thinking. And if you're looking at all these videos on TikTok or wherever you're looking, keep in mind that the foreclosure process is very, very state specific.